Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on this video we're gonna see how to install JDK Java Development Kit in Windows machine. If you are not sure either you have Java installed in your machine or not, then you can open command line and then type java hyphen version. If you get any except the Java version saying that Java is not command or anything else beside the Java version, then be sure that your Java has not been installed in your machine. So let's open up command line and see how does it work. So java hyphen version. So here you can see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So that means I don't have Java installed in my machine. So what we're gonna do is our next procedure gonna be we have to follow the link, and I'll put the link in the description below. We have to go to the oracle.com, then we have to select the appropriate version that we need to download for our machine. And right now they have 17 available and 8 and 11. So for this video I'm going to select 11. We also have the 8 as an option, but we're going to select 11. They do have a Linux, Mac and Windows, so make sure which one you want to install. But this video we're going to focus on the Windows machine, so we'll go for Windows. And even in the Windows they have two different packages, and they have archive package with 64 compressed. We're going to go ahead and get the installer package. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link on the side. As you can see on the right hand side we have the link. So once you click the link, it will prompt you to the sign in box of the Oracle. If you don't have a login, then you can sign up, and if you do, then you can just username and ID and password, then you'll good to go. It will download automatically. So once it's downloaded, then you just have to open that up and then follow the instruction. So it's gonna prepare to the installation and do next again, then just give couple seconds. Okay, now successfully installed, so we can close. And now let's open the command line and see again. Do java hyphen version and see if it gives us the version that we just installed. Yeah, as you can see on the command prompt, you can see Java 11 as a version that we just installed. Yeah, we have to give the path variable so that our IDE will recognize it. System environment variable, we have to give the path in there. So it depends if you want to do the user environment variable or the system. I'm going to go ahead and do the system. Go to the Windows and type edit the system. Then you'll see the system properties inside there. Go to the environment variables, and on the path go edit, then hit new, so that you can give the new path out there because you don't have any path available for the Java. So to get the Java bin folder, go to the program file, Java, and then bin, then inside there copy path, then go up there, give new and give the path. So you can take off those double quote and just hit OK. Then if you want to get the Java home, so for that you have to go to the path till the Java JDK. You don't have to go all the way to the bin, you just have to go to the JDK version, then that's all. Go to the follow the path, C program, and then go to the Java and just version, then you will get the path and copy and paste and remove the double quote as I said. Hit OK, OK again, and OK. There you go. So your path has been set up. Yeah, you're good to go. We're gonna see how to install VsCode, the code editor, in the Windows machine. And we will gonna run our first Java program as well in this one. So after we have installed the JDK, we do need the code editor or any other IDE. So for that we're gonna install the VsCode in our Windows machine. So for that, go to follow the link. I'll put the link in the description below, and then hit the download. So here you can see Windows, and you can see Windows for the Mac and for the Ubuntu. Once you hit the Windows, and it will just start automatically downloading, as you can see on the left corner, downloading. Once your file is downloaded, open the file. Once your file is open, you have to accept the license and agreement. So hit next now, and that's the path, so you don't have to change it. So do next again. So if you want to let's go back and see, don't create this start menu folder, so we're gonna just leave it default. Now we're on the icon on the desktop, so we're gonna check mark the create icon on the desktop. So we do want the path already been set up for the JDK, so we don't have, and also we do want the Every time if you have the folder can be open for the VS Code. Once you right click, it's gonna show you open with VS Code. Next, and wait for a second. Finish. Now once if you want to launch, then you can just click the launch Visual Studio Code. If you don't want to launch it right now, then you can uncheck the option and then do finish. So for now, I'm going to open the VS Code. I want it to be launched after it's finished, so I'm going to let it be checked and I'll hit finish. Go to the extension package on the left hand side. First thing first, that we need the Java extension pack. So extension we will see on the left hand side, on the search box will appear. Then there you can hit Java and you'll get the bundle package, which will have 6. That's the bundle package, so you'll have everything inside that extension pack. You don't have to worry about installing the individually. So there you can see, so whatever we need is already in there. So once we hit the install button, it's going to install all of them. So once everything is installed, so yeah, for the VS Code, it's really a beauty of VS Code that you can get all the extension for any other code, for HTML or for Python. You can get all this compiler from here and get the extension and you'll be good to go. Yeah, it will work just like as plugins. If you don't have any JDK installed in your machine, then you can also get it from here, but we already have 11 installed in our machine, so we don't have to worry about it. So X out of it again, and then let's open the, as I said earlier, you can create the folder and open the folder using the VS Code. Just do the right. I want to show you how to do that. Yeah, I've just created a new folder saying the first project, and I'm going to do right click on it and you can see open with code. So I'm going to do open with code, hit the trust author. Then we're going to create a file inside the folder. So we're going to create the Java file. So we're going to give it test.java. And we're going to create the class inside the file. So the class name and the file name should match. Class test. Then we'll do the main. So hit main and tab. Yeah, the shortcut for the public static void main method is just hit main and tab, so it will autocomplete. And for the system out print line, you can just hit sys out and hit tab, it will autocomplete. And here we're gonna give that this is our first Java programming using VS Code. And now we'll save. To save, Control S. Yeah, once you save the file, then you can just hit run and you'll see in the second it will compile and give you the output in the terminal. So there you can see this is our first Java programming using VS Code. Yes, we have just completed our first programming using the VS Code. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.